What is up, everyone? Bonus Event is here going over our August 22nd trade. We did SPY 441 puts. We made 45%, even though it was a little disappointing as we could have made quite a bit more. But let's get into this trade and what we did. So first things first, we're looking at SPY in the pre-market. If we zoom in here, we can see it's kind of rejecting this 442 area and gapped up from the prior day's close and even the prior day's high. So we see this gap up and then starts trending downwards and breaks this 441.3 area, which is a pretty significant area for resistance or support. And so looking at this, in the 20 minutes before market open, doesn't look like it's breaking this 441.3, so we're looking at puts. We can also look at the daily chart just to see another example here. So this is why we're looking at this 441.3 area, very significant. High probability that we have a red day or a down day. So in terms of the trade, as you can see above, that's exactly what we planned out for the day, 441 puts. We got in right here at market open, got in at $1.10. The low here was $1, so pretty good entry. And then we ended up selling, unfortunately, right here at this 440 target. Now, we did draw out these other levels, 439.4 essentially, and here 439, and then down here 438.2-ish. I wasn't 100% sure whether this would break the 440 level just because it was the prior day's high. So we did end up taking profits here, ended up selling at $1.60, which is pretty solid, 45% profits. Now, after it bounced off this 439.4 area, you can see it did move lower, and then some more consolidation, and then lower again. Now, the high here, if we take a look, was $3.38. So again, could have made 200% profits on this if you had gone from 1.1 to the high of, let's say, 3.3. But challenging to hold on through these moves upwards. But we're happy with what we did. 15 minutes of work for 45% profits is solid versus, I think the low or the high here was $2 or something, even though it's slightly disappointing. Now, the other thing that we were looking at was Tesla puts. As you can see, these also worked really well. We were looking at the Tesla 235 puts, even though I wrote 435 puts by accident. But as you can see, also worked out really well. Could have gotten in at about $2.80 from the open. And again, we mapped out the price levels, 235.5, and as you can see, this 234. Now, why did we pick these levels on Tesla? Just to go over them real quick. Based on these two areas right here. As you can see, this 235.5, and then here, 234, roughly. Well, that's the trade that we did. SPY 441 puts from $1.10 to $1.60 for 45% profits, even though you could have made a lot more, as you can see. But again, way too risky to hold on through these bounces off of key support levels. So like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next video, guys. See you all tomorrow.